So when we became independent, yes, of course, at Lancaster, the then British government, I must say, whenever Britain has led the Prime Minister, Zimbabwe enjoys the relationship. Currently, we have Theresa May. I can assure you, within 1 hour of my inauguration, there was an envoy from Theresa May saying they were ready to cooperate with us. But let me go back to your question. So in 1979, when we had the Lancaster conference, the British and Americans assured us that they will provide funding which we would use in the process of land reform on a basis of willing seller, willing buyer. But when Prime Minister Tony Blair came in, he abrogated that relationship. But we said whether there's British money or there's no British money, we'll proceed.
Thank you again, Mr. Mnangagwa. You're leaving tomorrow, I think.
Yes, I leave tomorrow.
Before President Trump arrives.
See, I would have loved to see the lady,
Mrs. May.
Because Margaret Thatcher was good to us. May is good to us. All the male prime ministers have not been.
Thank you so much. Thank you.